Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. So before getting to our topic, which is how to make your YouTube channel more popular, I would like to talk about something for the new people that has just come across to my video or my channel. So, as you might know, I am Daria. I am studying in Yıldız Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and my department is communication design. And because of my department, the reason why I have this channel before that, let me put that one there. The reason why I have this channel is to help you guys how to use this platform, social media platforms, or YouTube, or this popular platforms, how to use them properly, or maybe there is some things that you might not be able to understand how to do it, or maybe you just not familiar with it because you're new to the platform. I'm here to help you guys with that. And while I'm helping you guys, I'm actually helping myself too. Because of like I said, I'm studying communication design, which I'm actually more interested in interaction design. I would like to have my own app one day and hope you guys will be using my app in that time. And the way I also help myself while helping you guys is this. Normally in my daily life, of course, I'm using YouTube, of course, I'm using Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. But while I'm using it, it became like riding a bike, swimming. I just do things. Oh, sorry, my microphone. I just do things. I'm not doing them while thinking about them, but while I'm teaching you guys, I'm showing you step by step, and I'm being more careful where I click, where I don't click. So I realize how a user just new to this app is using the app, right? So this is helping me in this case. How, like, when I will be designing my own app one day, it's gonna help me with these details that I'm learning. For example, the questions that I'm getting from you, they're gonna help me too, because a user might not be me, like 20-year-old just using computer or phone 24/7, and they might just be new to the platform, and so maybe some icons should be better, or the features, they should be replaced in a better place. All those things are in my mind shaping my future app. So I'm helping you and I'm helping myself thanks to you guys. So let's get to my video, and if you have any questions about this part of my video, about my school, about anything, you can ask me in the comments. So, as you can read from the title, today we're going to talk about how to make your YouTube channel more popular. Being a YouTuber, yeah, we can also say that it is a business or hobby which create its own famous people. I'm not one of them yet, and my main issue is not actually becoming famous, but helping myself and you guys too. So, how to become a YouTuber, how to increase the subscriber, how to make money out of it. So, in this content, in this video, I will try to explain them as I know. So, while there is no one magic ingredient for being a popular presenter or video provider on YouTube, of course there are some neat things you can do to increase interest and be engaging. So by making your YouTube channel inviting and entertaining, you can encourage others to watch and have them tell their friends to check out your video site too. So bear in mind that increasing the popularity of your channel is a gradual effect in most cases, and this is the hardest part and needs to be worked at regularly. You have to be consistent, just like any other business. So the first part one to do this, we have to be improving our channel's appearance. Right now I'm not showing you this channel that I'm using. I'm showing you my old channel, actually my personal channel, I can say. So what we have to do is we have to choose the right username. For example, since this was not for any this YouTube account that I have, let's go to my channel. This YouTube channel that I have is not for being a YouTuber. It's just that a platform that I'm using to watch videos, but this channel is different. So what we have to do, we have to choose the right username. As you can see, since this is my personal and non-profitable YouTube account, I just put my own name here. So when I'm commenting on things, it's just appearing my name, that's all. So, but if you want to be a YouTuber and your content is different than this account of mine, you have to pick something simple, but it has to be catchy at the same time. It's hard to remember long, complex names with all sorts of numbers in it. Yeah, people prefer simple usernames. Just keep that in mind. Just like my channel, Daria's Tutorials, you know. So the second thing is you have to have a great background design. So if you can design a background yourself, as it makes it far more personal of interest to viewers who can identify with your personal style. So once you have a suitable background, always keep specific identifiable elements of it that represent you when you change your background, and don't change it too often. So I'd like to visit a YouTuber that I like very much. Let's go to his account. As you can see, he's pretty good at it. What he's doing with his channel is he's traveling, he is trying challenges. So, and you can see his background, which is pretty good. And actually, there's this part, including links to your blog, your website, etc., like as part of your background and profile material. And this helps viewers to gain a broader picture of who you are and what you provide online. As you can see, we have the communication part, we have his YouTube channel, his vlog channel, his Facebook account, Twitter, and IG account, which is this was a great example. And you should have a good cover picture for each video. So when people are actually looking for a certain type of video, they will see many different ones when they search something. And if your cover picture of the video looks bright with good editing, it will catch the person's eye and they will more likely to click on your video. As you can see, all of his just right here, you can just see everything, and yes, they are pretty much eye-catching. So, and the number 4 actually is give your videos an exciting title. Make the titles as interesting and intriguing without being over the top. For example, this one is saying being a taximan with a Ferrari. Like, who wouldn't watch this video? Like, a taxi and it's a Ferrari and it's in Turkey. You'll be like, yeah, let me go and watch this. And you can even see the Ferrari in the background, and it has this taxi thing there. So this was the first part 1. So the second part is providing top-notch content. You have to be creating quality videos. No matter what else, avoid the poor quality video, or your prospective viewers will take one look and move along. And the picture and sound quality must be good to excellent to keep the viewer interested in continuing with your work. And things to bear in mind includes that ensure that the lighting is good. Bad lighting is irritating because there are shadows, blurry bits, and inability to focus properly. And all of this suggests poor quality and soon becomes so annoying it's hard to preserve with. And film with daylight where if possible, or use excellent indoor lighting within the filming areas. Maybe you might think like, Daria, you're not even able to do those things, so you're teaching us. No, actually what I'm trying to do my best with what I have right now. I bought myself a microphone so give you a better quality when it comes to sound and lighting. I'm trying my best if you guys keep watching my videos, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel, everything will become way better. I hope. And I'm pretty sure you guys are hoping that too. So let's keep going. And do not have annoying or distracting noises in the background of your videos. Such noises can make it difficult to hear your voice and may over them. In general, it reduces the professional nature of your work. And you should be using sound effects. For example, if someone is meant to be slapping someone, use sound effects so that it seems real, because it doesn't always, how can I say, yes, I can do this voice or I can do this, but when you add it, it becomes more interesting. So that's why you should be using them. And if you're recording videos in real life, don't use your phone, use an actual camera. And if you're making videos on your computer like me, don't use a camera, use screencasting or video capture software like Hypercam or Bandicam, but I'm using something else right now. I'm using OBS Studio. And if you're playing on a game console, use a capture card. The other thing is make original videos. This one is important. Yes, you don't copy like other videos. Well, it's okay to be inspired by the different ideas you come across in other videos. Place your own marks in such ideas by expanding on them and mixing up them in your own way so that your content is wholly unique and yours. Where you do rely on information from others, cite that the sources and give them a kudos for an idea well executed, then borrowed by you. So you'll win fans by being honest and by being supportive of other video makers. And if your videos are the exact same as other people's videos, that won't be interesting. It's okay to have the same general theme, but make it unique, make it yours. And remember that people are meant to want to copy your videos and not the other way around. And adhere the rules about copyright. Avoid using music, stills, and video clips that are copyright unless you have permission for them. And it's demoralizing to have your video taken down because the copyright police found your content in the breach of the rules. And number 3 is plan ahead. You don't have to plan everything you say word for word, but have a good idea of what you're going to be explaining or talking about. That's what I'm doing most of the time. And planning ahead avoids things such as you stumbling or starring over words and so on. And sometimes I might be doing that, but it's because I'm pretty new. And you should be editing the video well. Good editing makes the difference between an amateur and a serious YouTuber. So if you want to add special effects, this is time to do so, provided that they're good and make sense for the video. And all of these things I'm trying day by day with your help. Don't forget that. And our final part 3, being a likable YouTuber. You have to be yourself. If you're all serious in your videos, it will bore people out of them. But keep it professional, but still be lighthearted and positive, as it helps you connect with people and show them that you're truly likable. I think I am, but I don't know. You can, if I'm not, let me know also. You have to be confident. When shooting a video, do not be afraid or camera shy. And if your video is professional looking and interesting, then the only other thing that you need is confident YouTuber. And then YouTube channel is yours. So don't be scared of that what other people will think of you. It is your channel. You can do whatever you want unless you hurt others. Observe famous YouTubers. See what sets them apart. Then set about promoting your personality with the same confidence and self-belief that what you have to share is worthwhile. Aim to win over hearts. If you strike a person emotionally, the person is definitely going to like you, follow you, subscribe to you. This means being friendly, affable person, responding to your viewers in a timely and thoughtful way, and being professional. Except that there will always be detractors. They're usually bored, lonely, or puerile, so they can mostly be ignored. But if someone has genuinely constructive feedback, acknowledge it politely and let the person know that you've taken their feedback on board and will try it differently next time. Never be personally rude when you talk about others. You have no idea what has motivated them, but it's okay to call out bad behaviors that are not appropriate without personally attacking. So you have to be bold. For example, Shane Dawson and Jenna Marbles are all bold. They make their videos sensational and people want to keep coming back for more. Be active. There's absolutely no point of having a YouTube channel unless you're going to be uploading new videos at least once a week. That way people will be kept satisfied with new videos to watch and enjoy. They probably subscribe to your channel. Create interesting commentary. Make your commentary engaging, interesting, or controversial. The more charisma and energy you put in commentary, the more fun is to watch. And be civil and community minded. Do not leave negative comments for other YouTube users. This will make people go on your channel and post mean comments in return, which will drive people away from your channel. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. And our last part 4, other things to try. You can encourage subscribers when you're promoting your channel. Also write subscribe. This will help you to get in touch with your viewers. Never write please subscribe to this video. This is a direct comment and not all people love others being straightforward. And promote your YouTube channel on Facebook, fan pages, groups, websites, Twitter, blog, wherever possible. Remember that not to add trash info, extra sweet information. This will make you and your channel unpopular among friends. And the last one, monetize your videos. But remember, you should have the commercial rights to monetize the video. Be careful when considering whether or not to advertise. Advertisements are very distracting and annoying, and people don't like to see them when they're reading through comments. So focus on quality content and interactions rather than force-feeding your channels to viewers. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions or anything in your mind, suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. I'm open to them. I'm gonna be reading them and answering your questions. And please like this video. Now, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.